Okay, welcome back. We're still working on our mudroom back hall makeover here in our 100-year-old house. Not quite sure what we showed you last, but since then we've pretty much finished up all the molding and trim in this area. And so then the next thing that we worked on was doing some shiplap. These were plaster walls that were really bad shape. They were very uneven, but we've kind of got this done. And then, well, originally there was some beadboard underneath this, and I was going to leave that alone and just paint it, but figured why not just go ahead and do the shiplap down here as well. So then that led me to want to at the same time finish up this project, which I started a couple years ago. So my mother-in-law comes and stays with us from time to time, and she needs access to a shower. So I ended up putting together this shower down here in the basement, which is easier for her to access. And because the other shower that we have has in a tub, it requires a step over. So built this a couple years ago, but I figured this is a good time since it ties in with the staircase to do shiplap in the rest of this area. Back in here, we've got some plumbing shutoff valves for the shower. So what I'm going to do is build a shelf in here where we can store towels and that kind of thing, and I'm going to have a face frame around it and have screws so it can be removed if somebody ever needs to get access to those valves. Also have a little bit of leftover engineered hardwood flooring that I'm going to do in this area, and I'm also going to make a seating bench here with a little bit of storage underneath of it, kind of using up some of the scrap wood. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get going. Cut the first piece and I marked it with a T to be a template piece. That way I can use it to mark all the subsequent pieces. But I went ahead and I just kind of eyeballed the blade thickness or the kerf, because the way I'm installing the shiplap, the joint's going to get covered, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the rest now. joining me on this third video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.